Hello and welcome to the most awaited FTR 3.0 by competition community, especially for English medium students. My name is Pukhraj Giri and in this FTR session, I'll be dealing with Chhattisgarh General Studies. And let me tell you, in this video of the FTR, I have selected the questions from administration in Chhattisgarh. But before starting today's session, there is an important announcement for you people that we at Competition Community, we are going to organize weekly tests, which will actually be held on every Sunday at 11 a.m. And let me tell you that to attempt this test, you people have to actually enroll yourselves by Friday evenings so that you people are able to give the test that will be held on every Sunday at 11 a.m. So this was all about the announcement, and let us start with the questions now. And here we have our first question. In the first question, who is the current Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh? So let me tell you, the current and the 12th Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh is Shri Amitabh Jain. And his term as the 12th Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh started from 1st of December 2020. Let me also tell you, Shri Rajendra Prasad Mandal was actually his predecessor. That means Shri R.P. Mandal was the 11th Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh. And upon his retirement, he has been made as the chairperson of NRDA, Nawa Raipur Atal Nagar Development Authority. So, the 11th Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh, that is Shri R.P. Mandal, upon his retirement has been made as the chairperson of NRDA, while Shri Amitabh Jain is actually the 12th and the new Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh, whose tenure actually started from 1st of December in the year 2020. Let me also tell you, the first Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh was Shri Arun Kumar. Who was the first Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh? Shri Arun Kumar was the first Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh. Now, when looking at the options, in the option D, we have none of the above. In option C, we have Amitabh Kant. Now, Shri Amitabh Kant happens to be the CEO of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog. Now, I told you Amitabh Jain is the current and the 12th Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh. Regarding Shri R.P. Mandal, I told you he was the 11th Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh, and I also told you that he is the current chairperson of NRDA. So we have been asked in the question that who is the current Chief Secretary. So I have already told you that Shri Amitabh Jain is the current and the 12th Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh. So option B is going to be the correct option for this first question. So this was all about the first question, wherein we now know that Shri Amitabh Jain is actually the current and the 12th Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh. Next we have our second question. Who among the following completed their term as member of Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh in the year 2020? So let me tell you, first of all, that Chhattisgarh actually accounts for 5 seats in the Rajya Sabha. And when the year 2020 started, then the 5 members of Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh were Ranvijay Singh, Judev. Second was Motilal Vora. Third was Saroj Pandey. Fourth was Chhaya Verma. And fifth was Ram Vichar Netam, wherein Chhaya Verma ji and Motilal Vora ji were from Congress, and Ranvir Singh Judev, Saroj Pandey and Ram Vichar Netam ji were from BJP. Now, in the April month of the year 2020, the tenure of the membership for Ranvir Singh Judev and Motilal Vora was actually completed. And in place of these two outgoing members, Phulo Devi Netam and KTS Tulsi, both from Congress, were actually elected as the new members of the Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh. So now the 5 members are Phulo Devi Netam, KTS Tulsi, Saroj Pandey, Chhaya Verma and Ram Vichar Netam. So these are actually 5 members of Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh now. So in the question we have to tell who among the following completed their term. So we know Ranvir Singh Judev and Motilal ji Vora completed their term of membership in the year 2020. So in the options we have Mohsina Kidwai, we have Ranvir Singh Judev, we have Arun Vora, and we have both B and C. So let me tell you, Ranvir Singh Judev and Motilal ji Vora completed their term, and in the options we have Ranvir Singh Judev in option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for our second question. So this was all about the second question. Now we have a third question. Who is currently the nominated member of Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly? Let me tell you a brief history that actually it is according to the Article 333 of the Indian Constitution that there is a reservation for Anglo-Indians in the state legislative assemblies. But it was in the year 2020 when this term of reservation actually expired and it was not renewed via any of the constitutional amendments, and hence we can actually say from the year 2020 the reservation for Anglo-Indians in state legislative assemblies has actually been stopped, or it has not been renewed. So for now you can say that there is no such clause or no such article providing for the reservation of this Anglo-Indian community. So can we have any nominated members? No, we can't have any nominated members in any of the state legislative assemblies now, and hence there is no question of any member being nominated. Hence the correct answer is going to be option D, none of the above. But let me tell you, it was in the 4th term of the State Legislative Assembly of Chhattisgarh when Bernard Rodriguez was the nominated member, and in the 2nd term of the State Legislative Assembly of Chhattisgarh, Ingrid MacLeod was the nominated member from the Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly. However, this reservation has actually been terminated and now we will not have any of the nominated members in the Chhattisgarh State Legislative Assembly, and hence option D is going to be the correct option for our third question. So this was all about the third question. Now we have our fourth question. How many female members of Legislative Assembly are there presently in Chhattisgarh? Now let me tell you, 14 female members of Legislative Assembly are presently there in Chhattisgarh. Now let's have a look at all of these 14 MLAs with the help of a map. So first of all, if we study division wise, so from the Sarguja division we have 1. From Bilaspur division we have 4. 1 from Takhatpur, 1 from Kota, 1 from Pamgarh, and 1 from Sarangarh. So we have 1 from Kota, 1 from Takhatpur, 1 from Pamgarh, and 1 from Sarangarh. In this Durg division, once again we have 4 members. 1 from this Pandaria in the Kabirdham district. Next we have Khujji in Rajnathgaon district. And 2 we have from Balod, wherein 1 we have from Dondi Lohara and 1 we have from Sanjari Balod. From this Raipur division, 1 we have from Kasdol. Then we have 1 from Dhamtari, 1 from Sihava, 1 from Dharsiva in the Raipur district, and finally we have 1 from Dantewada. So in the Sarguja division we have 1, in Bilaspur division we have 4, in Durg division we have 4, in Raipur division we have 4, and we have 1 in the Bastar division. This makes it 14 all together. Now let's look at the names. Now from this Baikuntpur constituency in the Korea district of the Sarguja division, we have Ambika Singhdev of Congress. Now from this Kota constituency of the Bilaspur district, we have Renu Jogi of Janata Congress. From this Takhatpur constituency, we have Rashmi Singh of Congress. From this Pamgarh constituency in the Jangir Champa district, we have Indu Banjare of Baspa, Bahujan Samaj Party. And from this Sarangarh constituency of the Raigad district, we have Uttari Jangde, once again from Congress. Now from this Pandaria constituency of this Kabirdham district, we have Mamta Chandrakar, once again of Congress. Now from this Khujji constituency of Rajnathgaon district, we have Charni Sahu, once again of Congress. From this Dondi Lohara constituency in the Balod district, we have Anila Bhedia ji, once again of Congress, who is also the Minister of Women and Child Welfare Department. And from this Balod Sanjari constituency, once again in the Balod district, we have Sangeeta Sinha, once again from Congress. Now coming on to this Raipur division. From this Kasdol constituency, we have Shakuntala Sahu of Congress. From this Dharsiva constituency in the Raipur district, we have Anita Sharma, once again of Congress. From this Dhamtari constituency in the Dhamtari district, we have Ranjana Sahu of BJP. And finally, in this Sihawa constituency of Dhamtari district in the Raipur division, we have Lakshmi Dhruv of Congress. And finally, in this Dantewada constituency in the Dantewada district, we have Devti Karma once again of Congress. So these are the 14 female MLAs of Chhattisgarh. Now coming back to the question, we have to answer how many female MLAs are there in Chhattisgarh. Now we know we have 14 female MLAs in Chhattisgarh. And 14 is given in option A, and hence this option A is going to be the correct option for our fourth question. Now let's move to the fifth question. Who is the present Advocate General of Chhattisgarh? So let me tell you, Satish Chandra Verma ji is actually the current Advocate General of Chhattisgarh. Who is the current Advocate General of Chhattisgarh? So Shri Satish Chandra Verma ji is the current Advocate General of Chhattisgarh. Now talking about Ramakant Mishra ji, he is actually the Assistant Solicitor General of the Chhattisgarh High Court. Now talking about Shri Ajay Singh ji, he is actually the current Chairperson of Chhattisgarh State Planning Commission. So Ajay Singh ji is the current chairperson of Chhattisgarh State Planning Commission, while Ramakant Mishra ji is the Assistant Solicitor General of Chhattisgarh High Court, and Satish Chandra Verma ji is the present Advocate General of Chhattisgarh. Hence, B. Satish Chandra Verma is going to be the correct option for our fifth question. Now next we have a sixth question. Who among the following are not the members of Lok Sabha from Chhattisgarh? So let me tell you, Chhattisgarh actually contributes for 11 seats in the Lok Sabha, wherein Jyotsna Mahant ji is the member of Lok Sabha from Korba constituency. Guharam Ajgale ji is the member of Parliament from Lok Sabha from Janjgir constituency. And Deepak Baid ji, he is actually the member of Parliament from Lok Sabha from this Bastar constituency of Chhattisgarh. Jyotsna Mahant ji belongs to the Congress party, Deepak Baid ji belongs to the Congress party, while Guharam Ajgale ji, he actually belongs to the BJP. And in the second question only, I told you Ram Vichar Netam ji is actually a member of Rajya Sabha and not Lok Sabha. And in this case, we have to actually tell who among the following are not the members of Lok Sabha. So in this case, Ram Vichar Netam is going to be your correct answer. And since he is mentioned in number 4, the correct option will be the option which says only 4. And this only 4 has been given in the option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for our sixth question. So this was all about the sixth question. Now we have a seventh question. How many seats have been reserved for ST category in the State Legislative Assembly of Chhattisgarh? So let me tell you, all in all, there are 90 seats in the State Legislative Assembly of Chhattisgarh. Out of this 90, 10 seats are reserved for scheduled castes, 29 seats are reserved for scheduled tribes, and 51 seats are unreserved. So actually 29 seats are reserved for ST category in the State Legislative Assembly of Chhattisgarh, and this 29 has been given in the option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for our seventh question. So this was all about the seventh question. Now we have our eighth question. How many chairpersons of various commissions of Chhattisgarh have been given the status of cabinet ministers? So let me tell you. First is Mahant Ram Sundar Das, who is actually the chairperson of Gau Seva Commission or the Gau Seva Ayog. Next we have Dr. Kiranmai Nayak, who actually is the chairperson of Chhattisgarh Commission for Women. Then we have Mahendra Chhabra, who is the chairperson of Chhattisgarh Minority Commission. Then we have Thaneshwar Sahuji, who is actually the chairperson of Backward Class Commission. And we have Gurpreet Singh Babra, who is actually the chairperson of State Food Commission. So all in all we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chairpersons of various commissions who have been granted the status of cabinet ministers, and 5 is mentioned in the option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for our 8th question. Now we have a 9th question. Chhattisgarh State Herbal Medicine Board has been renamed as. So let me tell you first of all, the State Forest Department of Chhattisgarh has been renamed as Forest and Climate Change Department, and Chhattisgarh State Herbal Medicine Board has been renamed as Chhattisgarh Tribal Local Health Tradition and Herbal Medicine Board. So it has been renamed as Chhattisgarh Tribal Local Health Tradition and Herbal Medicine Board, which has been mentioned in the option A, and hence this option A is going to be the correct option for our 9th question. And finally we have our 10th question. Mobile application Kavach is related to. In the options we have police service, we have information regarding COVID-19, and we have grievances redressal related to electricity. For the grievance redressal related to electricity, we have an application known as More Bijli. Regarding this police service, we have an application CG COP. While this mobile application Kavach is actually related to the information regarding COVID-19, which is actually mentioned in the option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for our 10th question. So these were 10 one of the most important and conceptual questions from the topic administration in Chhattisgarh. I'll be back in my next video with the local administration of Chhattisgarh. I hope you people would have liked my video, and I shall meet you people in my coming videos. तब तक के लिए thank you and take care.
CGPSC की संपूर्ण तैयारी के लिए कंपटीशन कम्युनिटी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और डेली अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।